All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So your standard, this is my MacBook Pro, and your standard charging cable obviously looks like this. You've got the two Thunderbolts coming out of this side, and this is what it looks like right here for charging currently. So I plug this in, and it charges. Well, I've got a new charger in from Macally. Now this is the charger that I feel like this is the old style that Apple used to have on the other MacBooks. It's got the magnetic, you know, it snaps off. Which is just a must for this because I don't like taking this in and out like this, and I felt like this is a good look. So you've got the Type-C connected with magnetic tip, and just leave the magnetic tip in there, which is just a great look for a MacBook. So if you have a MacBook, for now, you should check this one out. Plus, this one looks a little bit better than the standard MacBook charger. So I'm going to crack into this here and crack it open here. Now, here's a few tech specs about it here. And it's supposed to charge just as fast as the regular charger. So I'll pull that regular charger over here in a second, but here is the charger itself, which is really, really nice. You get some manuals and things inside, which is good. I'll tell you how to operate it. Not that you really need to know how to operate this. This power brick isn't very heavy. There's the Type-C there, and you've got the other part there, and this just looks better. It looks like a mini MacBook, and I'm pretty sure that's their intent. So let's get this on here, and I'll be using this one going forward, obviously, because this is obviously the better of the two that I have. Let's pop this off, and this goes in like so, and this will go back into that side. And I also like having the brick kind of in the center like this instead of, and if you don't know, the MacBook charger is like this, and it's got, you know, it's got this big part that goes into the wall directly. And with this bump cam, there we go, with this you can see that it's not like that. You have this long cable here that you get from Apple, which is cool, and it's Type-C to Type-C. But you know, this is the difference from these right here. And again, this kind of, it just looks like a mini MacBook computer, or just a mini computer itself. So that's the difference in the charging bricks right there. And so the magnetic portion on here is obviously on this side right here, and you've got the Type-C cable. Now, not a long Type-C cable, however, you do get this portion right here to offset that. So this will just snap off like this. It goes in like that. So we're going to plug this in here to this portion. Let's move this out of the way, and we're going to plug in over to my cable spot here, and then we're going to plug in. And it is charging, and I've got a little LED indicator light there. So when I want to take my charger, my MacBook off the charger, just do it like that, and it is charging. Now, how sturdy this is, you know, you don't want to move it around too much when you're trying to do it. As you can see how it is there, but it does latch on pretty quickly, and it is charging. So it's your man Jay Will. Wanted to give you a quick update on the new charger that I'll be using with my MacBook. This is really, really nice, and this is supposed to charge just as fast as the current MacBook charger. And I'll give you a follow-up on that and test it and see if, you know, if that is in fact accurate. But for now, here it is, the new charger. See you guys in the next one. Take care.